Today we're showing you how to create this wooden Christmas tree. To start, you will need about 3 pieces of 2x4, mine are all 8 feet long. You'll also need a miter saw, a measuring tape, a pencil, and some 2.5-inch screws. You will also need some butcher paper. First off, I'm just measuring a piece of the 2x4 to 36 inches. This will be the base of the Christmas tree. Cut the wood where you drew a line. Our tree will be about 3 feet wide and 6 feet tall, roughly. Next, I'm taking some butcher paper and I'm going to trace a tree shape onto it. I'm going to measure 6 feet from the middle of the wood along the paper, and then from the 6 feet point, I'm going to draw a line to the corners of the wood. And this doesn't have to be perfect, I just freehanded it. As long as it's straight up and down and not crooked looking, it should be fine. And as you can see, I'm just cutting out where I drew the lines. Next, I'm taking another piece of wood and placing it over the edge of the first wood, and I just traced where the edge of the paper is. And I do it at an angle, and it doesn't really matter what angle you do it at, just kind of make a triangle with the wood. And then I'm just repeating this process over and over again until I fill up the whole paper. You're going to alternate each layer. The first layer is on the bottom, and then the second layer will be on the top, and the third layer will be on the bottom again. And then you'll just repeat that over and over. I close my eyes and think of you, although you're far away, we're under. Once your tree is in a shape that you like on the ground, all you're going to do is secure the boards together. You may need someone to put their foot on the wood to keep it in place, and I'm just adding 2 or 3 screws per wood section. Just make sure that you look at the bottom piece and the top piece and make sure that your screw is going to go through both of those pieces and not just through air. For the base, I have 2 4-inch pieces of wood and 2 8-inch pieces of wood. First, I'm going to start by screwing in 2 screws right in the center of one of the 4-inch pieces, and then you are going to put that on the end of the 8-inch and secure those screws right into the end of that 8-inch piece. And then with the flat side down, you're just going to screw it in to the tree. Once you get this secured, you can lift the tree up and have someone balance it, and then you're going to secure your other base piece to the other side of the tree. Under the stars, I'm where you are. You can decorate your tree however you'd like, but we're just using a simple piece of vintage garland, and then we're also going to add some copper lights. I think those are perfect for this tree because they just blend in and add a little sparkle. They're also battery operated, so you can put the tree wherever you need to. It doesn't have to be by a plug. It's perfect. If you're interested in another alternative Christmas tree, we have a cactus Christmas tree DIY on our blog that I will link here. And if you like this video and would like to see more things like it, please subscribe to our channel. Although you're far